Hello, this is Captain Brett, and we're looking at a 2001 Sea Fox 172 that's 17 feet in length. It's equipped with a 90 horsepower 2-stroke Mercury. It's a 2002. It's got a nice big Bimini on top. This boat's in great shape. It's been recently serviced. Lower unit, propeller, internals, 100-hour service. Everything's just been completed, new spark plugs. Any signs of any leaks from the carburetor or the fuel lines, anything in there has been replaced. This thing is turnkey, water ready today. You can pick it up and go straight to the water with no issues. As you can see, it's very clean, pretty simple design. Got a center console there. Got a working VHF radio, hummingbird system, and kicker audio. This captain's chair is reversible, so you can also face it at the back in case you're fishing or something. Up front, you've got a big bow storage along with an anchor locker. We've got 2 kicker speakers on this side and 2 kicker speakers on the other side. The trailer is included in the sale and it's got the guides already for you on there, so makes unloading and loading very, very easy. Power trim on the engine, of course. As I mentioned, everything's just been serviced down here, so it's very, very clean, all taken care of, ready for another season. We'll get this thing started up here in a few moments. I can show you how she runs. And a quick video from up top right here. Got our center console with Uniden VHF. Got your Mercury shifter and all your accessory switches here for navigation lights, stern lights. Got voltage, a little bit of power. The kicker, AM FM receiver. Show you this front storage. Has a drain, stern light. That's where your anchor goes. Up front, a lot of people put one of those coolers here with the seat on top for an extra seat. This is also a storage cooler here and a reversible seat. Again, my name is Captain Brett. My phone number is 954-258-2700. If you have any questions or if you're interested in this boat, please give me a call today. We do have this vessel available locally and online for sale, so we do end our sales early for interested buyers. Shipping is available.
954 more. That's 866-954-6673.
I love my daddy, and my daddy loves me too.
Mesman and Dover Law Firm, your accidentattorneys.com. Main office, Fort Lauderdale.
AT&T Fiber presents a straightforward moment inspired by straight